everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, my Filipino cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook pork humba. Humba, humba, humba. Humba is a Filipino classic dish. Humba is a Filipino Bisaya recipe and it can be served in any special occasion. Humba, hum from the word humo means tender, and ba from the word baboy means pork, which means a tender pork. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Guys, if you like my pork humba recipe today, check out my playlist. I have plenty of humba recipes for you to enjoy. Guys, I speak Tagalog and Bisaya, but I present my Filipino recipes in English because my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to the West. Here are the ingredients of my pork humba recipe: pork belly, bay leaves, onion, garlic, brown sugar, dark soy sauce, ground black pepper, and 7-Up. You can also use Sprite. Now let's start cooking. My pork humba is very easy dish to cook. Just put everything in one pot and let the ingredients work their magic. Now let's start cooking. In a cold pot, add all the ingredients. Pork first, ground black pepper, garlic, bay leaves, onion, sugar, soy sauce, and 7-Up. Give it a stir. Cover and bring it to boil. Once it's boiling, just give everything a stir. Cover and simmer on a low heat. To make your pork humba recipe tender and juicy, you have to slow cook it on a low heat. After 30 minutes, let's give my pork humba a stir. Smells absolutely gorgeous. Cover and simmer on a low heat again for 30 minutes. After an hour of cooking, my pork humba is now ready to serve and enjoy. Here we go, guys. My pork humba ready to enjoy with rice. Here we go, guys. My pork humba ready to enjoy. Now let's taste it. Tender and juicy pork humba. You have to try this, guys. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy my humba recipe today, and if you like it, then like it, and if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. More recipe to follow. See you soon.